What is crypto staking? How it works, risks and rewards. 2025 Beginner's Guide. Imagine earning passive income just by holding crypto. That's the promise of staking. But before you lock up your tokens, there are rewards and real risks you need to understand. In this Beginner's Guide, we'll break down what staking is, how it works, how much you can realistically earn, and the biggest dangers to watch out for in 2025. Section 1. What is staking? Staking is the process of locking up cryptocurrency to support the security and operation of a blockchain network. In proof-of-stake blockchains, staking replaces mining. Instead of burning electricity to validate transactions, people stake tokens. The bigger your stake, the more chance the network has of selecting you, or your validator, to confirm transactions. Popular staking blockchains include Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana. Section 2. How staking works. Here's the process step by step. You deposit tokens into a special contract or staking wallet. The network chooses validators based on how much crypto is staked. Validators confirm transactions and propose new blocks. As a reward, they and you earn newly minted tokens or a share of transaction fees. You can run your own validator or, more commonly, delegate your tokens to someone else's validator. Unstaking usually requires a waiting period, anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. Section 3. Rewards and yields. So how much can you earn? On Ethereum, yields average between 3 and 5% annually. On Solana, it's often 5 to 8%. Some smaller networks advertise double-digit returns, but higher yield usually comes with higher risk. For example, staking 1,000 SOL at 6% APR could earn you 60 SOL in a year, minus validator fees. But yields fluctuate based on network participation and inflation. Section 4. Risks and drawbacks. Staking is not free money. Here are the risks. Slashing. If your validator misbehaves, a portion of your stake can be destroyed. Lockups. During the unstaking period, you can't access or sell your tokens. Validator reliability. If your validator goes offline, you earn less. Protocol changes. Blockchain upgrades can change staking rules or rewards. Inflation. If the token supply inflates faster than your yield, you can still lose purchasing power. Section 5. How to start staking. If you're ready to stake, here's how to begin. Pick a proof-of-stake blockchain. Buy or hold the token you want to stake. Decide if you'll run a validator or delegate. Choose a validator with strong uptime, low fees, and a good track record. Lock your tokens into the staking contract. Keep track of rewards and know the exit rules. Section 6. Best practices. Diversify across validators. Don't put everything in one basket. Keep some tokens liquid for flexibility. Research validators before delegating. Always watch for scams promising guaranteed returns. And that's staking explained. The rewards, the risks, and how to start safely. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more AI-powered crypto explainers. And let me know in the comments, which blockchain staking system should I break down next? Remember, this is for education only, not financial advice.